Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable algo trading in MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. At the top of the platform, look for the Algo Trading button on the toolbar. If the button is red or turned off, simply click on it until it turns green. Next, click on Tools at the top of the screen and then select Options. You can also press Ctrl+O on your keyboard to open the Options window. After that, open the Expert Advisors tab. Here, make sure Allow Algorithmic Trading is checked. This setting allows expert advisors to execute trades automatically. If your EA requires DLL files, you can also enable Allow DLL imports, but only do this if you trust the EA's source. Once you've finished, click OK to save the changes. Now it's time to enable algo trading for your expert advisor. Go to your EA where it is located and double-click on it to open Settings. When the EA settings window appears, open the Common tab and make sure Allow Algo Trading is enabled. Then click OK. Finally, check that everything is working correctly. Also, make sure the Algo Trading button on the main toolbar remains green while the EA is running. If your expert advisor still doesn't place trades, the issue may not be with the settings. Many EAs only execute trades when their specific market conditions or trading rules are met, and that's it. So that's basically how you can enable algo trading in MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!